there! Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to recover your old Facebook account. We know how frustrating it can be to lose access to your account, especially when you have so many memories and connections stored there. Struggling to get back into your old Facebook account? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people face this issue, but the good news is that it's usually a straightforward process to get back in. No worries, I've got you covered. With just a few simple steps, you'll be back online and reconnecting with your friends and family in no time. In just a few simple steps, you'll be back online. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your Facebook app or browser and head to the login page. This is where the magic begins. See that forgot password link? Tap on it. This link is your gateway to recovering your account. Now you'll need to enter either your email or phone number associated with the account. Make sure it's the one you used when you created your Facebook account. Easy, right? This step is crucial because it helps Facebook identify your account. Next, Facebook will send you a recovery code. This code is essential for verifying your identity. Keep an eye on your email or SMS inbox. The recovery code should arrive shortly. And hey, don't forget to check your spam folder. Sometimes important emails end up there by mistake. Got the code? Awesome! You're almost there. Enter it in the provided field. This will confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account. This will take you to the password reset page. Here, you can create a new password for your account. Now, create a new password. Make sure it's something strong and unique so your account stays secure. Make it strong and unique. Here's a pro tip. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to make it harder to guess. Use a trusted device, like your personal phone or computer, to make this process even smoother. This ensures that your new password is set up securely. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your old Facebook account. Your old Facebook account is back in action. Now you can catch up on all the latest updates and reconnect with your friends. Remember to like and subscribe for more security tips and info. Need special help? We're here for you. Check out our contact info below. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Stay safe and secure online.